I'm Monica Fogarty and I'm the Chief Executive for Warwickshire County Council. As many of you will know, in July last year we launched an ambitious programme of change for children and young people in Warwickshire who have special educational needs. Like many authorities across the country, we know we are facing some very real challenges over the next few years. And in the field of special educational needs and disabilities, or SEND as it's commonly known, those challenges are even more acute with an increasing number of children and young people having education, health and care plans. This is why, when set against a backdrop of an increase in more complex needs, a changing landscape, financial pressures, and growing expectations of the essential services we provide, we knew that the way we were working had to change. By launching our SEND and Inclusion Change programme, our aim was clear: to improve outcomes, promote inclusion, and to ensure that our systems are sustainable for both now and into the future. As a council and as a local partnership, we are committed to ensuring that all our children in Warwickshire are able to lead fulfilling lives and be part of their communities. So in the last year, we've been working really hard to fundamentally rethink and transform the way that we deliver local services for children and young people through our new Change programme. Working with our partners, including education providers and professionals from health and social care, we've produced a SEND and inclusion strategy to help us ensure that we have the knowledge, the experience and the right skills in the right places to do all that we can, to deliver high quality services and to improve outcomes for children and young people. Significantly, and for me, I think most importantly, this strategy was developed with young people with SEND themselves, with their parents and carers and key partners. So we had real intelligence and input from where it matters most. Together, we've developed creative solutions and we've provided over £90 million in funding over the last year to support better outcomes for our children and young people with SEND. In that last year, we have also seen a significant impact from the changes that we've made. This includes building a new specialist school, taking considerable steps to reinvigorate our parent-carer forum, and making outstanding progress in reducing the number of exclusions from our schools, all whilst working with our key stakeholders to ensure appropriate use of alternative provision. Now, while it's still early days, we are also seeing the benefits that increased engagement brings, with the voice of the child and the young person becoming central to all aspects of our change programme. We recognise that change will take time, but I am pleased to say that to date progress is good and we remain committed to supporting all our children and young people to be the absolute best that they can be, so that Warwickshire is a truly inclusive and child-friendly county.
I'm Dr. Sarah Raystrick. I'm a GP and the chair of Coventry and Warwickshire Clinical Commissioning Group, who are responsible for commissioning or planning healthcare across the area. The CCG has developed the Warwickshire Local Offer with partners to support children and young people with special educational needs or who are disabled. This brings together information about local services and support available from education, health and social care. It's for families with children and young people aged 0 to 25 who have special educational needs and or disabilities. It's a really great resource for families. We're also working in partnership to contribute to the implementation of the SEND reforms. Together we will ensure that health services commissioned locally for children and young people are shaped by their lived experience. This means that the CCG, partners, families and young people will work together to identify what matters to them when accessing education, health and care, and to identify any gaps in local provision. It's a really important programme for us, and we are proud to be working together to improve things for our local children, young people and their families.
In 2020, Warwickshire County Council's Cabinet approved an ambitious programme of change which set out how we, as an authority, would provide every child with access to high-quality education so that they could achieve their full potential. Working together with our partners, we want to improve the outcomes for children and young people with special education needs and disabilities by promoting inclusion in mainstream school. To achieve this, we have been working in partnership with professionals to enable a more consistent and collaborative approach to supporting children, young people and their families across education, health and social care. This includes introducing a new integrated model for safeguarding children and adults, introducing a quality assurance framework for education, health and care plans, and building the confidence of parents and carers. We are also looking to develop our facilities so that we can keep our children in Warwickshire rather than sending them to out-of-county placements. This will significantly reduce travelling time for a number of our children and young people. It will also help to ensure that their education, health and social care needs remain under one authority. Similarly, we will look to strengthen what we offer within Warwickshire schools so that they can continue to develop the services they provide to meet the needs of Warwickshire's children and young people. We know that early intervention is key to the success of this programme, as is providing a clear plan of support and taking decisions in a clear, fair and transparent way. Our hope is that working together with our partners and schools, and most importantly, our children, young people and their parents and carers, that we can change the way we support children and young people with special education needs. Thank you.